P&J Productions present a compilation of pouring. Oi! Sake. P&J Productions present a compilation of pouring.
There was a glass.
And that's it. So this is a Little Hazy Assassin. We'll give it a try. No, it's another cloudy one. Yeah, that's Little Baby Assassin.
Little Hazy Assassin.
Yeah.
Have you
It's cloudy.
Oh,
Have a snipping and a supping.
Right, here we go. Right, this is a sniffing. Oh, sweet.
Well, last one was sweet.
Yeah, sweet again. It smells like pineapple.
Right.
Pineapple.
Yeah, but I don't think this is as strong as the last two. Hello, Tommy. Right, so you had a sniffing. The head's fucked up, that looks in it.
That's the time of the tasting. Right. A bit of a chemically aftertaste to it for some reason. I'm not sure about this one.
Well, let's have a sniffing and a tasting.
Yeah, see what you think. Sink and washing up and it's.
Yeah, it's got similar taste to the other ones. Make America Great Again. Ice baby. Yeah. Again, it's down the neck oil kind of route. I get what you mean. It like a chlorine kind of.
Yeah, it's like you're washing up dishes and just put a pint glass in it and just drunk out of it.
But I will say, I'd rather sup Little Hazy Assassin than the other two. Sufficiently chilled, it could be better. But that's Thomas licking fucking blinds.
Fuck's sake, why did he do that?
So that's what Thomas does. Is that enough now? Amber's looking. This is a Dortmund style lager.
What lager?
Dortmund.
Oh yeah.
Utopian Brewing. I've got more head there than fucking Linda Lovelace. I've had it before, but
I've sent him a map and that, so he knows where to walk to. It's not far. I think he's going to be another couple of hours. So yeah, I was chill by myself. Get me tent up, have a beer, a couple of shots of whiskey. Because you better believe, guys, I have got some whiskey in the old Baghdad, Aussie world famous whiskey review. Obviously, I've got beers. As usual,
come up here, accept your little awards, thank your agent, and fuck off. You're in no position to give anyone any political blah blah, because you spent less time in school than Greta Thunberg. So get your little award, thank your boss, and fuck off. And Ricky Gervais was spot on. all those self-righteous twats on. I'm glad I didn't watch the Grammys. It should be about the music, not about your political bastard views. And now the NBA and now NFL been pressured into like, oh, put anti-ice things on. Fuck off. P&J Productions now present pouring ale into a glass.
Bollocks.